Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make aloo paratha. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare the dough. You'll need about 2 cups of whole wheat flour, water, and a pinch of salt to create a soft, pliable dough. Set this aside to rest while we work on the delicious potato filling. Now for the heart of our paratha, the filling. Take your boiled potatoes and mash them completely, ensuring no lumps remain. Incorporate finely chopped onions, fresh green chilies, and a generous amount of cilantro. Season with red chili powder, garam masala, and salt to taste, mixing everything well. With your dough rested and filling ready, it's time to stuff. Take a small piece of dough, flatten it slightly, and place about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture in the center. Carefully bring the edges together to seal the filling inside, forming a smooth ball. Then, gently roll it out into a flat, round paratha about 6 inches in diameter. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium flame. Place your rolled paratha on it, cooking each side for about 1 minute before applying a teaspoon of oil or ghee. Cook until both sides are golden brown and slightly crispy, with beautiful brown spots. Serve your hot aloo parathas immediately with a dollop of butter, yogurt, or your favorite pickle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.